And it's now time for the business day. The National Commercial Bank, or the National Commercial Bank Financial Group, is moving to allay fears among its shareholders after a significant drop in the company's share price. Today, NCBFG closed at $28.58. Details in this report.
Shareholders of the National Commercial Bank Financial Group have been on edge in recent times. Despite the company's strong financial position, its declining share price has been met with skepticism and widespread speculation about the financial institution's future. Malcolm Sadler is the Chief Financial Officer of NCBFG.
The stock price, as it is now, is not indicative at all of the performance and the worth of the company, of the overall group.
There was an admission, however, that recent developments involving Chairman Michael E. Chin may have caused jitters. Just last week, in a notice posted on the Jamaica Stock Exchange JSE website, the Jamaica Central Securities Depository Trustee Services invited note holders to vote on proposals to change the repayment terms of over $364 million in debt tied to Mr. Lee Chin's holding entities. The changes affect bonds issued by AIC Barbados Limited, Portland Limited, and Specialty Coffee Investment Company Limited.
I think there are people, entities trying to look at the situation, with our chairman, with the situation that's, maybe other things happening in the financial markets, and kind of attack our stock price as an indication or because of that.
Mr. Bowman believes there needs to be a separation between developments happening with other entities associated with the financial institution's chairman Michael E. Chin and NCBFG. The bank officials further argued that the institution is governed by sound operational structures while it's guided by the Bank of Jamaica's robust regulatory framework.
If we are delivering the consistent earnings that we're communicating well and letting people see that, if we're continuing to give good returns to our shareholders, and we're getting word of that out there, I firmly believe that people will start recognizing that disconnect.
To the stock market now, the JSE combined index declined by 980 points today, while the junior market index declined by 13 points. Overall market activity resulted in the trading of 107 stocks, of which 29 advanced, 50 declined, and 28 trading firm. Advancing stocks included ISP Finance Services, Honeybun, Iron Rock Insurance, Epley Carbon Property Fund, and Regency Petroleum. Among the losers were Cygnus Credit Investments, Preference Shares, Radio Jamaica, Salada Foods, Jetcon Corporation, and Blue Power Group. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.25. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $117.74. The pound is going for $214.57, while the euro is selling for an average $186.46. And that's it for Business Day. Regional and international stories are next.